Ayan, another community question. Yan from Jab. Totoo po ba mga issues regarding sa delayed salary sa MLBB?
Ako na. In terms of sa mga issues, we choose not to disclose the full issues, and that's out of respect for where we came from. Whatever si Wolfie nagsabi nito, whatever he said, that's what's said and that's what's already released sa public. But in a way, we also want to protect where we came from because we still have coworkers there. So, sa mga ganyan, sila na lang yung sumagot doon. Right? Sila na lang, kung sino yung existing na nandun, sila na lang. Because everything, I don't want to affect kung saan nag-work yung mga coworkers ko.
Yeah.
So,
pero gusto ko,
whatever.
saan ba nakuha nito ni Jab yung...
Yung kay Wolf nag-post kasi siya.
Okay, yeah. Kaya ako sabi ko, meron pang nag-trending lately na may mga delay.
Yun pala yun.
Baka regarding nga to kay
Dahil international tournament yun eh.
That wasn't even such a big deal.
Yeah. Baka yung kay Coach Paul nga ang
Hindi
ano na
pa nga
to.
yun yung
Ang peg na to. So, ayun ang sagot, guys, nila.